putting this together? I'm sure it must have been quite a surreal experience, right?
Yes, it's very interesting because some of the recipes are really rare. You must have never even heard about it. Let me speak about two interesting recipes in the book. One recipe is about the bamboo rice. Do you know what is bamboo rice?
I've heard of it.
Okay, bamboo, not the rice that is cooked in bamboo. So, bamboo flowers once in 50 years or in 14 years. So, when it flowers, it releases seeds from it and it looks like rice, and that is cooked and eaten. It's usually made into a kheer or dosa. And so, I have spoken and documented. It's on one of the pages inside about the bamboo rice. Okay, this is a very interesting recipe of gura vaine. So gura is a very interesting brinjal which is grown in Kumbarzua canal, and it is the seed is only with one lady called Anita Gitolkar. She has the seeds, and she's the only person who has the seeds. And the seeds
In the whole of Goa?
Yes, and it's passed on from daughter-in-law to daughter-in-law.
Okay.
So her daughter-in-law doesn't do farming anymore. She goes to the office. So she says after she dies, the seed dies with her. So gura wangi will not be, or brinjal will be no more in the nobody's going to get to eat it if we don't continue to probably keep the seed. The next interesting recipe is the ash dosa. Have you heard about ash dosas?
It's called
devache pore. Okay. The dosa is made with adding wood ash into it. It's usually cooked. Thank you. I think you can make it even more interesting for me because
No, go for it. A book in my hand is always a good experience. I love a book in my hand. Ash dosa.
This is the hero recipe of the book. Ash dosas, which is made on the Aitar Puja during the Shravan month.
Okay.
In Sattari, Vatne village.
Also tell us about your book. Did it take you to different parts of Goa, the north, the south?
Yeah, different centuries in Goa.
There was a lot of research work that you had to do, I'm sure.
I've been a photographer for many years, 2 decades actually. But this is photography and research coming together. And
how long did you work on it?
so the oldest picture in this book was shot in 1999.
1999.
What?
That's like 27 years. Me, you think I was born before? After
Joe has
1999?
had his evening made.
You made me
Joe is
happy
having
out
his
solo.
evening
Dara.
made.
Thank you, Madam Vita Dara.
Yeah, that's the oldest picture in the book, but it will be somewhere. It was taken in a place called Indravada in Kankona.